Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. You can also visit us online at islandford.ca, and you can get more information as well as a full description. Today we're looking at a 2012 F-150 STX in ingot silver with gray cloth interior, seating for 3. This is a regular cab, so 2 doors and a 6.5-foot box. It also is a 4x4 with a 3.7 liter V6 engine. It's really easy to get into this truck that also has box side steps, and you can go online to book a test drive at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as manual locks and windows. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt. On the face of it, you have your cruise control, dash controls. You have media control with volume as well as hands-free dialing. When we start up the vehicle, we're going to see the odometer reading. There you go. And we can actually toggle through for different settings. There's trip B, kilometers to empty, the average, the timer, and then back around again, and you've got your trip A there. You have an automatic select shifter with tow haul. When you press the end, you'll see the tow haul appear at the top there, and then off it goes. In the center, you have your display screen. You have AM, FM, as well as CD and Sirius satellite radio. And then you have your traction control, hazard lights. There's the CD player, and then you have your volume and tuner and so forth located there. Down below is your climate control with AC and max AC, and your front defrost. Off to the side, 4x4, and you've got a little cubby down below, 12 volt, auxiliary line in, and USB, and another cubby down below. And in the center you have an armrest, and this flips up, gives you another seating position with a seat belt. You can then unclip the seat, underneath more storage, and then you can slide this out for a couple of cup holders. There's a little cubby off to the side as well as a 12 volt, and you've got your glove compartment down below. Up above, a manually dimming rear view mirror, and in the center you have your lighting controls for the dome lighting. In the body on the passenger side, there's a grab handle making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, black running boards, black door handle. You also have box side steps, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler, and this is a flex fuel. You have the black handle that extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have a trailer hitch, which has a 4 and 7 pin connector and a locking spare tire. When we want to open up the tailgate, simply pull the latch. And inside, it's nicely lined. There's a spray-in liner with tie-downs in all 4 corners. This is a regular cab, so 2 doors, and I've slid the front seat ahead and brought the back forward just to show you behind the seats here. It's got this nice vinyl flooring that's easy for cleanup, and a window that you can open in the back, and you can still store things back there. And then when you want to bring the seat forward, you just slide it ahead and then use the lever to bring the back of the seat in its regular seating position. Body colored bumper, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, manual side view mirrors, as well as halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.